is a perfect world, but without each other, it does not exist. There is such a thing as happiness, and I promise you, this is it. So take all that behind, all that you need. Welcome to our second family. You never felt alone, or you think you don't belong. You got a home, and you got a song. So help me sing along. Welcome to our second family.